Hi guys, so we're going to start a series about rebuilding Plenty Gorge. Well, not really Plenty Gorge. So we're in the north, so it's classified the Norge. The Norge has been abandoned and not looked after, so we're going to clean it up. Norge used to be a very popular riding spot, as it's known for its technical features and very cross-country style trails. These trails have been abandoned because everyone has lost interest in the Norge and it's so hard to ride, especially with its very steep climbs. I used to see a lot of people riding Gorge, but now it's kind of abandoned. I see one or two a month, and that's about it, and they always come out scars. So at this video, we're starting with this small trail called Redneck. We're starting at the arrow, and we're working our way up around that bend where this arrow is now. And it's about 190 metres to 200. Yes, that's the first trail, but we actually have to cover about 7 k's we are aiming for, all the way down to this river crossing that we're about to see. Here is the river crossing. So this is about 15 minutes before we got here. Well, we got here and started clearing out all the weeds, so we just started. But we only started a bit, just churning up the dirt, getting it ready. So this is about 50 or so metres of the trail, just trying to gauge our speed. So I've just cut up this dirt, made the roller at the top. But yeah, let's hop into a time lapse. Right now I'm working on the first berm of the trail as you saw before, and after me, Cooper's working on the second at the same time. So now I've just gone back to the start of the trail, just finishing up this roller on this steep descent. So here you can see me just test riding it all. The first berm's pretty good and the roller, just we figured this second berm had to be a bit bigger and a bit longer just so we can get this. We actually had to make it extra bigger at the end because, yeah, had to shred. Alright, after making that berm a bit bigger while Cooper was doing that, I just cleared out all this grass, made it a bit better, made it a bit wider, not too wide, but now we're moving on past the camera and we're going down to this natural slope and also a natural double roller. So that's me testing the little jump we made, the little lip. Obviously I didn't get enough speed, so I had to really pull. It isn't worth it. So we cut down that little hill, and we're making this double roller more gappable and bigger. So this is how the trail looks so far as we are building the double roller. So right now we're just clearing out all the weeds across the bridge, and we're doing that so we can make a berm around the bend and we can carry our speed up the hill. So right now I'm just churning up all the dirt with a pickaxe to make the berm, and behind the camera is Phoenix cutting all the blackberry bushes. So again, this is before we started. And here is after. We actually did make the berm a bit bigger, but we didn't get it on video. So here, I just quickly cut all the blackberries and the weeds, and then we're done. So this is the first trail redneck, start to finish. So now, as we're just walking up this hill to finish off the trail and see the nice view of the bridge, or actually, while we're talking about view, we couldn't actually ride this because I actually broke my bike. So, yeah. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully next episode, when we start Trail 2, we'll be able to show you some GoPro footage of us hitting it. But yeah, keep an eye out for that.